Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to build a Nissan Skyline GTR R34. First, you'll need to find a suitable R34 chassis. Research reputable importers to ensure you acquire a genuine vehicle. Always verify its authenticity and legal import status to avoid future complications. Carefully plan your budget, accounting for the initial purchase, shipping, and all restoration expenses. This foundational step is crucial for a successful build. Next, focus on the heart of your GTR, the engine and drivetrain. Begin by disassembling and thoroughly inspecting the RB26 engine for any wear or damage. Upgrade internal components like pistons and rods to handle increased power. Don't forget to rebuild the transmission and reinforce the all-wheel drive system to reliably transfer all that power to the ground. With the engine underway, turn your attention to the chassis and suspension. Reinforce the chassis to enhance structural rigidity and handling. Install high-performance adjustable coilovers and other suspension components for precise control. Finally, upgrade the braking system with larger rotors and multi-piston calipers to ensure your GTR stops as effectively as it accelerates. The final stages involve bodywork and interior finishing. Carefully repair any body damage and meticulously prepare all surfaces for painting. Apply a high-quality paint finish in your chosen color, ensuring a flawless appearance. Inside, install comfortable performance seats and customize the interior to your personal taste, completing your dream R34 GTR build.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.